Okay. Revision part. This is what we did yesterday. This is the day session. My scenario 1 is we open, we test higher to the resistance of these bars and find sellers and continue lower down to 95, which we did, and then we extended it below 95 down to 91, 827, 267, down to 51. I had all these levels, but not 51. I had 91, this talk zone, and then 82, and then 72, 82, 72, and then 67, the VPOC. We extended even below that. So yesterday we had a range of 78 points. We definitely had scenario 1. Test higher, continue lower, which was continuation of the downtrend. So today scenario 1 is we open, we test lower to yesterday's point of control at 70, sorry, at 58. Which is in line with the VWAP, overnight VWAP, and then continue higher, take out the overnight high at 77. And above that, we have the Stoke zone at 90-ish. And above that, we have the Century figure. So that's my scenario 1. Impulse, pullback, continuation, correction. Scenario 2 in green is we had a downward distribution in the overnight. We've formed the lower distribution, then we've tested back the most traded price of the upper distribution. So if we continue with the selling, I expect to roll over and test the full session mid at 50, pull back, and below that we have the HVN of the overnight at 42. And likely to take out the overnight low at the overnight low is at 29. But that's a bit ambitious. 36 stock zone. Scenario 2. We had a trend day yesterday. It is not quite likely to have another trend today, but if we do, whether it's going to be to the upside or the downside, if we reverse the move with a vengeance, scenario 3, past the Century figure at 100, up to the most traded price, the MCV pocket, 120. So that's scenario 3. Scenario 4 will be a sell-off down to below the overnight low, which is at 29. Overnight low. Below that we have a gap, and the gap mid, and then the gap low as well. So that's scenario 4. So that's my scenarios for today.